Alright, real quick, I wanted to show you how to copy your content over, or our content over, from the masterclass to your class. So in Canvas, I'm in my dashboard. I'm going to go to my class, my Chem class. On the bottom left-hand side, I'm going to Settings. And then I'm going to import course content. And here I'm going to select Copy a Canvas course. We're going to select the masterclass. On mine, it comes up under default term. I see Chem Pre-AP Masterclass. For content, I'm going to select specific content, and then I'm going to import. Under current jobs, it'll tell me what it's about to copy over. I'm going to select content. I'm going to go over to modules. If you click on the arrow, it gives you the drop-down menu. I'm selecting the distance learning plan, so that will load in the week 2 introduction and the choice board. Then under assignments, I'm going to select the box for remote learning week 2 and select that content. It's now queued. It should start running in just a few moments. And this doesn't take long at all. I'd say about 2 minutes max to import the content. And what I like to do after it's imported the content is to check it in my class and make sure everything's working, all the links are working. And I definitely recommend doing the student view so you can see what the kids see. Sometimes one issue I had where some of the links weren't working to some of the documents because I hadn't saved them in my Canvas course. So that's something I'm going to recommend, is checking the student view. Hopefully it doesn't take too much longer here. Alright, it says there's one issue. I tried checking on this earlier to see if I could figure out what it was. It says missing links found in imported content wiki page body. But I can't, I don't really know what that is. It doesn't really give me more information besides that when I click on it. So I'm going to keep looking into that and see if there's something I'm missing or something I can figure out. But since the content has been imported, now I'm going to go back to modules and just check that everything's there. I see that week 2 has now been imported for periodic table. The intro is there. My learning board is there. I would actually go and unpublish this for the time being and double check that choice board. Make sure everything looks good. I'm not sure why it says -3. I don't like that, so I'm going to take it off. But we should be able to click on a picture or the words. The information should pop up. Excellent. All right, so that's looking good. So the last thing I'd recommend, and because these aren't published yet and the assignments aren't available yet, if you go to student view, so over here if you go to, I think you have to be on the home page. If you go to home, you can do student view over here on the right hand side, and you can see what the kids see. Because our module isn't open yet, it's actually not going to pop up for them. But on Monday, when the assignments open up, I would go in under student view and see if all of the assignments are working, all of the links are working, all of the documents are loaded in. But that's about it. Let me know if you have questions.